In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design your business card using Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a professional looking card that you can download, print, and start handing out with confidence. Let's get started by opening Canva in your web browser. Once you're on the homepage and logged into your account, look for the main area where you can start a new design. You should see a button that says something like Create a Design. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Canva lets you choose what type of project you want to work on, from social media posts to presentations, and in our case, a business card. After clicking Create a Design, a search bar will appear at the top of the drop-down or panel. In that search bar, type in Business Card. As you type, Canva will automatically suggest different business card formats. This search step is important because it tells Canva to set up a canvas with the right proportions for a standard business card, saving you from having to figure out measurements yourself. When the options appear, you might see several variations, such as standard business card, vertical business card, or even some pre-labeled templates based on industries. What you want to pay attention to here is the size. Canva typically follows common printing standards, but it may offer different dimensions depending on your region or printing needs. Now, select the size that best fits how you plan to use your card. For most people, the default business card size in Canva will work perfectly, especially if you're printing through a local shop or an online printing service. If you're working with a specific printer, it's a good idea to quickly double-check their recommended dimensions and make sure what you choose in Canva matches those requirements. This helps avoid any cropping issues later on. Once you've chosen the size, Canva will open a blank business card canvas or show you a selection of templates you can start from. At this point, you're ready to move into the creative part, adding your name, contact information, and brand elements like logos, colors, and fonts. That's it for setting up your business card design in Canva. You've learned how to create a new design, search for the business card format, and select the right size so your final card looks clean and prints correctly.